Ugh, finally I get to paint it. So ugly. No more bad words if you think if that's what you thought. Yeah. Finally, you said the U word. You called something bad. I was talking about the door. The door looks ugly. That's what I said. I just got a rip. Now let's try to find her. Rock is like meanwhile with the ghost of Granny. That's the ghost of Granny. He will cast a spell on the school. Yes, Granny. Okay, I'll do it right now. Don't fail me. Yes, Granny. Now go. Goodbye to our friendship. What I thought you were dead to me. Alright, let me just put the pickaxe on. I'm level 666,000. Whatever, fake. Sit all day and I will listen. Whatever, fake friend. Step away from me or else. Cast spell. Yes, you do. I'm Lucretia. I have another sidekick, Granny. Who are you? I'm Lucretia. Welcome to the club, Lucretia. Granny is also in. I'm happy to see the ghost of Granny. Lucretia and Minxia. Go curse more people. Okay. Okay. Don't fail me. We will. You got it, Granny. Meanwhile, with Allison. 30,000? I'm still working on my mouse. I'm almost done. My pepper. Get it? Since you ate my drink my milkshake, you just basically asked to die. I just drank your milkshake. Let's put a curse on the world. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. It doesn't take like 10 seconds to build a house, Cyrus. I know, I'm making cookies now. Yeah, why not cookies? We're staying here Monday. One more match. What do you mean? And then we could play cry stuff. We're staying here till Monday. That's not true. You just said one more match until I do what? It's another one of those crazy things. You nasty, I heard that. I'm not making it up, it's true. Exactly. Four. Well, like, I bet you have I bet somewhere in your phone you have a picture of, what's her name? Bully. Suicide. That's tough. One more match. Meanwhile, with Ted. Allison, no!
One. Everybody get down. And this was the death of August. I thought she died like 5 million times already to a bomb. That's true. This is the other death of August. Time to die.
To be continued.